Hello to Holmen and the entire Cooley region. My name is Dr. Chad Updike, and I'm excited to announce that in a little less than 6 weeks, I am going to be heading north and joining Dr. Katie to expand the office and provide more top-level chiropractic care to the entire Cooley region. So in the next few weeks leading up to starting in the office, I wanted to start to give some videos and answer some questions on some of the most common questions that I get about chiropractic. Some of these come from patients in the office from when I'm seeing patients. Some are when I'm out in the community speaking with people. But the first one that I wanted to start with is the most commonly Googled question about chiropractic, and that is, are chiropractic adjustments safe? My answer to that is always obviously an overwhelming yes. We take care of a ton of full families, lots of kids in our practice. But when we look at evaluating safety and risk, the gold standard is always statistics and numbers, right? The people that do this the best and the most are insurance companies. Insurance companies use statistics and numbers to evaluate the risk that a potential insuree poses to that company. In short, how likely is that person or that individual to create a lawsuit or to injure someone? So insurance companies look at this purely from a statistical standpoint, no emotion involved. So if you look at malpractice insurance, everyone knows that doctors typically pay a lot for malpractice insurance. If we were to look at your typical average family practice doctor, they pay about $6,000 a year for malpractice insurance. For an orthopedic surgeon, they're more up around the $30,000 range. Anybody have a guess on what typical chiropractors pay each year for malpractice insurance? If your guess was a lot less, you're right. Last year, I think I actually paid a little less than $1,200 for malpractice insurance to practice. To compare that to another area, I actually paid even more than that to insure my truck for a year. So in short, your chiropractor is more dangerous to you out driving on the road than they are inside the office. So it's easy to get caught up sometimes in wondering about these things and having emotion and maybe some bias involved. But when it comes right down to it, the professionals, the ones that do this for a living, evaluating risk, when you ask that question, is chiropractic and are chiropractic adjustments safe? The answer is an overwhelming and a resounding yes.